We got Matt's 2011 Denali Duramax. What are your plans, Matt?
Well, right now we got the box off. What we're gonna do on this weekend, we're working on the frame, getting there. Did some needle scaling and starting to get the wire wheel out.
What do we got here?
And then we got some stuff from Eastwood.
This is what we're gonna use on the frame.
Some rust encapsulator. And we got a gallon of that we're gonna either brush or spray on, not sure yet. And then we got this internal frame spray. Comes with a hose. You can spray it on the inside of the frame, considering it needs to have the enclosed frame. But starting to make some progress.
All right, so here's the paint, reducer, and clear. What do we got here?
Then we got over here a gallon of Destroyer Gray. We got the Deltron DC3000, and this is what I'm going to be using on the frame. And see how it comes out.
Alright, so we didn't film much of the painting process, but we got 2 coats on here. We got to get the front done and put all the brake lines and hook all the wires back up, and we should be done. So the back of the frame's all done. There's a nice hole in the rocker. And we're gonna needle scale all this and grind it and paint it. All right, time to get the first paint on the Denali. That's nice. Time to polish the drive shaft.
I need someone to hold it to the absolute mat. I'm going to skip that thing all the time.
Wow, this is slower than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, that was going to be like just go right now. Not gonna ever see this either.
Well, we're headed to Central PA to pick up a box. It's about 3 hours away. We'll get a couple shots of it when we get there. We got the box. Didn't fit on the trailer. So it's kind of ghetto, but we got it. It's rust free, a couple dents. We're gonna hit the road, get it back to the shop. Well, our trim was a little wobbly, so we're gonna have to rip them off. She's staying on there though. Not going anywhere. They rolled bad. Baby, it's dent removal time. Pump it real good, Kessler.
Is it moving?
No, I gotta do some more or something. Oh, it should be some-
It's pressing. That's before I put it on my truck. Oh yeah.
It's actually coming out nice.
It's pulling that whole corner right down. That's better. Yeah, it's pulling that whole corner down.
All right, so we left the box at our friend Chris's house. He's gonna do all the body work on it, start painting it. And then we're gonna take this over there in a couple weeks when the frame's all done.